Hello and welcome to the video. As you can see, the Peugeot 405 is very dirty. The car has been parked for a long time and the surface is covered in dirty large box spots. We're moving inside now, and as you can see, the car is full of trash, including paper, sunflower oils, and dirt. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We're posting training videos every week, so make sure to turn the notification bell to catch our next upload. To begin, we wash the exterior of the car in order to remove as much dirt accumulation as possible and allow detergent to banish the surface to the vehicle. After washing the car, we are performing detergent the vehicle. We would love to hear your thoughts of the video. Please share your comment in the section below. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the notification bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. We will be grateful if you share the video with your friends to support us. Finally, we have finished cleaning the exterior of the car. Now, we will move inside and start by vacuuming the car. After vacuuming, it's time to clean the doors. After cleaning the car doors, our next step is to cleaning the car dashboard and center console. After 6 hours of work, the Peugeot 405 looks as the lovely and carable. We were able to clean out the dirt and stains from the surface of the car. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified for our next content. Leave your comment below. We're looking forward to see you in the next video.